Right.
We have some new screenshots here, a tease of the new Halo Infinite. It's been a wild ride for Halo, and I actually booted up the Halo.
Which one?
Halo 2.
Okay, classic.
I booted up the Halo 2. And what was the other Halo? Tried them all.
Oh, you got the Master Collection?
We got the Master Collection!
Okay.
And, I was trying to show the youngsters how
Back in the day.
how I used to do it in the Halo.
Were
And
you
so
good?
I smoked them.
Oh.
Yeah, they're trash, those youngsters. Not true at all, by the way. But anyway, there's a vibe to the Halo thing, Will.
Mm-hmm.
It's such a vibe to it. Oh.
Yeah. That vibe. Sure. Uh-huh.
You know what I'm talking about.
Yeah. I hear you.
And so I was looking forward to this next version, but they ran into all kinds of issues. People were just really killing them on the graphics, and it was a huge miss. I mean, let's be honest here. It was supposed to launch alongside the Xbox Series X, and they would have sold a ton more Xbox Series X if that thing was ready to go.
Mm-hmm.
But they're not done with it. They're working on it. How dare you show the Craig meme? So rude over here. Anyway, they shared some new screenshots. They're still they claim it's gonna be good, Will.
I believe them.
And so you
graphics
you
on
gotta
everything.
click through some of these screenshots over here. There's a link at the top of this article on Engadget.
That looks great. I mean, the gameplay.
No, never mind gameplay. We're not there yet. Just
Sure.
screenshots.
Even so, it
I
looks
think there's a
good.
link. Shared. Click on where it says shared there.
Okay.
And you're going to see a few. And I mean, it's looking pretty promising. I mean, they're just screenshots, but, you know. I mean, it looks more next gen, does it not?
Yeah. Yeah. It looks good.
It says work in progress. They put the little warning on there.
Mm-hmm.
But I feel like it's something to get excited about.
Sure.
I feel like it might be all right when it's all said and done.
Uh-huh.
I feel like it might be a game you could play.
Yeah.
You might even call it next gen. So anyway,
I think, well, this is cool. They're showing dynamic lighting. So, this is a whole image. Oh,
yeah, I know. I see what you mean. For sure. Yeah, same environment,
Starry-
different times a
starry
day.
night, yeah.
Yeah.
Blue sky.
Man, it's exciting times. I think in the long run, you take the delay and you get a better game out of it
Yeah.
in the long run.
Mm-hmm.
So
Exciting.
good luck to the team, 343 Industries and Microsoft.